Hi everyone, Daniel here from the Kala team with a short tutorial for you on how to create an account on WhiteBit, the next exchange Kala will be listed on. Please follow and subscribe to Kala Twitter and Telegram to access this Kala member link right here. So as you click on this link, it's going to bring you directly to the sign up page for WhiteBit. Go ahead and enter your email, create a password, and down below you'll need to click these two boxes. Make sure that you follow those guidelines and are not a resident from any of these countries. So once you click register, it will verify you and send an email to you. So that's when you go in, simply verify the email, confirm it's yours, and it brings you to log in again. So simply email and password since you've already verified. And now your account is set and you will be ready to buy, sell, or trade Kala once it is listed. Thanks for watching and good luck.